Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to use comma symbol in CSS selectors. So let's get started. By using this comma symbol, we can group multiple CS selectors into one. That is, this comma symbol will act like logical OR operator. Now, let me practically demonstrate this for you for better understanding. For that, first I'll open the browser and then take you to a sample application page, that is omayo.blogspot.com. Once you are taken to this page, right click on some blank area and select inspect option. Then you are going to get this Google Chrome DevTools. Now click on the double arrow and select selector sub. Now let's try to create a CSS selector locator for locating this text area field. Inspect this. When I inspect this is HTML code of the text area field. By looking at the HTML code of the text area field, let me write the CS selector. So it has an ID. So I want to create a shorter one. So ID is equal to TA1 is there. Can I write simply like simple one, hash TA1, hash TA1. So this is a CS selector, okay, for locating this text area field. Press enter. You see one element is getting located. That is nothing but the text area field which is getting highlighted, okay. So this is a CS selector locator for locating the text area field. Now I want to locate this search box field, okay, a text box field kind of stuff I want to locate. Inspect that. Now here, this is HTML code of this text box field. Now what I want to do is, using a single CS selector locator, I want to locate text area field. Along with that, I want to locate the search box field. Both the elements I want to locate. But I want to write a single CS selector locator. But I already have written CS selector locator for locating the text area field. Now I want to write the CS selector locator for locating the search box field. So first let me put this here. Okay, this is a CS selector locator for locating the text area field. Now if I inspect the search box field and inspect this HTML code for the text box field, by looking at the HTML code of the text box field, let me write the CS selector locator. So here input tag name is there, name is equal to Q is there. So I'll just simply write name square bracket name is equal to Q. I want to write the simplest way of, okay, simplest CS selector locators. Okay, when I press enter, you see this particular CS selector locator is locating the search box field. Okay, this one is locating the search box field only one element, whereas the earlier one, this CS selector was locating the text area field. Now I want to write a single CS selector locator which can locate both this text area field and search box field. What I will do, I'll copy the previous CS selector locator from here, paste it here, and I'll separate this first CS selector from the second CS selector by using comma symbol. Okay, I'm going to put a comma symbol in between the CS selector locator which actually locates the text area field individually and the other CS selector which locates the text box field. The moment I put comma here, these two CS selector locators will become one. Okay, this particular two CS selectors locators will become one. Now this is a single CS selector locator. If I press enter, you see two elements are getting matched. That is, okay, here text area field is getting located. Along with that, search box field also getting located using the single CS selector locator, which is a combination of multiple CS selector locators which are separated by comma symbol. Okay, so this is how by using comma symbol in CS selectors we can group multiple CS selectors into one. That is, here comma symbol is acting like which operator or operator. Okay, so what if there is a mistake, or what if one of the CS selector is unable to locate an element? What will happen? For example, intentionally I'll give 2 here, 1 2. Okay, hash ta1 2. So this particular will become invalid, right? This will not locate any element because here this text area field has id as ta1, not ta1 2. What will happen? Will it is say 0 elements? No, it will still say one element because there are two CS selector locators. This is one, this is two. So this one won't be able to find any element on the web page because I modified it intentionally. Here I added two. Okay, which won't be able to locate any element on the page. But the other one, after the comma, the other one is there, right? This will locate the text box field. So if I press enter, one element will match because this is not locating an element, but the remaining after the comma is locating the one element. So if one of the CS selector locator of this combined CS selector locator fails also, okay, the other CS selector will be able to locate the element. So that's why we can say that comma is acting like which operator? Logical or operator. Okay, this is a proof that comma is acting like a logical or operator in the CSS selectors. What if there is no mistake? Then this will locate one element, this will locate another element, so two elements will get matched. Okay, so with With the practical demonstration, I explained about how to use comma symbol in CS selectors and what will the comma symbol will do when specified in CS selectors for grouping multiple CS selector locators into one. And it actually acts like a logical OR operator. Okay, example. Let me give this example here. Example, and where did I demonstrate this? I demonstrate on this website page, sample application page, that is omai.blogspot.com. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.